How to block a number on TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and log in with your account. Then go to your conversations and select a number that you want to block. This will open the chat window with that contact. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. A list of options will appear, giving you different actions you can take for that number. From the list, select Block Number. After that, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to block this number. Simply tap on Block to confirm your choice. Once blocked, the person will no longer be able to call or send you message through TextNow, and your communication will be completely restricted. The blocked contact won't receive any notification that you have blocked them, so it happens quietly in the background. This feature is especially helpful if you are trying to avoid spam calls, unwanted text, or just need some peace of mind. Now you know how to block a number on TextNow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.